Hi lovely people, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how we prepare the most delicious palm nut soup in an African village. So we boiled the palm nuts off camera until they were soft, so here we were pounding them. So we need to pound this until it is smooth enough so that we can extract the juice from it. We are done pounding, so we'll transfer this into a bowl. To prepare our soup, we first of all wash the meat and transfer it into the pot. So the meat we are using is guinea fowl meat. You can use any meat of your choice. So after transferring the meat into the pot, I placed it on fire and I'm adding some blended garlic, onions, ginger and pepper. I'll also be adding some tomato paste, salt to taste and our seasoning cube. Then I'll cover and let it cook. So I'm adding some water to the meat, then I'll mix everything together and allow it to continue cooking while we go and start extracting the juice from the palm nuts. Here we have the pounded palm nuts. I'll go ahead and add some warm water to it and then I will be able to extract the juice from it. So I'll first of all remove the chaff from it. Then after that we'll strain it to separate the nuts from the juice. You can strain this as many times you want to make sure there is no chaff in it. So we strain ours 3 times and then we strain it for the last time into the pot on fire. Here we have our nuts, so dispose this. So here is our meat. It has been cooking nicely, so we are going to strain the last one directly into the meat so that everything can cook together. Our soup has started boiling, so at this point we need to be alert to make sure it does not pour over. So after it has boiled for some time, you can see oil has started settling on top. So we are now adding our catfish to it. We will also be adding prekese. This prekese has been roasted a bit, so the prekese adds more flavor to the soup and it also has some health benefits. I boiled these onions, tomatoes and pepper alongside. I boiled it off camera, so I'll grind it and add to the soup. This will help to thicken the soup as well. So I also adjusted the salt because the salt was not enough. And here we have some kontomire. I'm going to wash this with salt and water and then I'll transfer it into the soup. This is the last thing we are going to be adding to the soup and then we'll let it simmer for some few minutes. And now our soup is ready. We can see so much oil on top of it, so we actually took some of this oil out. You can use it to prepare something. And then yeah, you can see it has a lot of oil, so this oil can be used for something else. We don't have to eat all of this oil. This soup can be eaten with rice balls, banku, kokote, plain rice, or any meal of your choice. But we ate ours with kokonte and it tasted so delicious. Please let me know in the comment section what you will enjoy this soup with, and also leave a comment down below what you think about this soup. Is this also how you prepare your palm nut soup? Thank you so much for watching, and see you in our next video. Bye.